AF Terrio is a boat building and repair facility in southwestern Nova Scotia. Here at AF Terrio, we build boats and we fix boats in a nutshell. The company started in 1938 building wooden ships, and over the time the company grew and evolved, and in order for us to stay in business we moved into building boats with different material other than wood. Steel boats, fiberglass boats, and also aluminum boats. And over the course of time we evolved into building boats out of advanced composites also. Diversification is how our company grew and expanded, because we weren't afraid to take on a different challenge. When we build a conventional fishing boat, very basic and simple, and it's a product that's achievable because we've built so many of them. Diversification into pleasure boats or fire boats, or it's all a different challenge. So being able to work with the government and having some assistance occasionally, which is very important. We keep quite close ties with federal and provincial governments and even municipal government to see what's out there, either in the boat building or if there's funding available to expand or to make our company even more efficient.
Where we are a small enterprise, our technicians and our employees wear many hats, and to be able to buy a piece of equipment that several different employees can be trained on and used when it's required. It's a task that's not done every day, but when it's done, it has to be done quickly and efficiently and accurately. In the past, the procedure might take us days and take several guys days. Now with this new technology in the computer and the laser alignment system, what took days now takes hours. The level of detail is unattainable using the traditional methods. It's opened a whole window of opportunity for applying high-tech equipment to small projects. Going to foreign markets means you now have to adapt your product and meet foreign regulations, European regulations, U.S. Coast Guard. They all have their own unique requirements, and so you have to improve your techniques and improve your quality to match new standards. And so it requires a boat builder like us to produce a product that meets a higher standard of quality, more reliable, more robust, more efficient, in order to compete in the global marketplace, because there's lots of boat builders out there all competing for the same projects.
Where do we see our company growing in the future? There will be, and we're hoping, some governmental work come out of the funding that's available through the shipbuilding program. And also some of the newer fishing boats are 10 years old, so there's going to hopefully be a need to build fishing vessels in our future, because we understand that in order for a fishing vessel to survive in these hard economical times, they must be able to diversify and do multiple different fishing also. So it thinks that because we work quite closely with our fishermen, we'll be able to achieve that. It's challenging because of our location, and everything is so much more expensive in this day and age to keep on going. But we work hard, we get up in the morning, and we really, get down and dirty and make things happen, and that's what we do. Even being in rural Nova Scotia, challenging at times, but sometimes you end up with better, a little bit more pride in what you achieve.
Watch Eastlink Magazine. You'll be glad you did.
Eastlink Magazine, brought to you by Nova Scotia.